Now notice that this file name is city.jpg because we named it city.jpg, but JPEGs have only one layer. So because we have two layers now, if we hit Command S to save our file, we're going to get a dialog box that says, hey, what do you want to name this? Because now it's a PSD. Photoshop changed this automatically because we have multiple layers. Now city is highlighted. I'm going to hit the right arrow on the keyboard. Look down, it's in between the numeric pad on the right and the alphanumeric keyboard on the left. I'm going to hit the right arrow, which puts me at the end of that Y. And then I'm going to type capital C and composite. And then I'm going to name it inside that same folder, citycomposite.psd. And now from now on, when I save this, I can just hit Command S, and I'm going to update my citycomposite.psd. Okay, you might notice I still have the patch tool here. I should hit the letter V, huh? Because the letter V takes us back to the move tool. If you hover over this, you can see right here, there's the shortcut, the letter V, and that's where we want to be. All right, so I'm going to hit Command 0 to fit this on screen. And I don't know about you, but I'm looking at this, and this is so lacking in contrast. It's bleh. I mean, it's a really cool shot, but it's bleh. Let's fix that.